In this video, we're going to look at how to take out the code from our loop and compartmentalize it into a function. Okay, we don't want to have all of our core program loop or all of our core program code, in our loop. So we want to take this out and put it into a function. So since this code refers to the LED turning on and off, we're going to make a function that's just called blink red LED. Nice and easy. So an open function or a function that doesn't return any information, we're going to start that with the keyword void. You'll see that's the same keyword for setup and loop. So we're not returning any information back. And we're going to go void blink red LED. It's going to be an argumentless function. Okay, so open and close your brackets. And then we're going to use our parentheses to finish off the function. This is the base form of any function that we're going to use in this class. So we're going to have our keyword void. Okay, this can be of different data types later on in the course. We're going to have a function name, and then we're going to have our brackets to represent the actual function. And if there's nothing in the brackets, that means we have no arguments. We then use these, okay, our curly braces, to represent the code block. Okay, so this is our full statement. So what we're going to do is take the code out of our loop. We're going to right-click copy. We're going to paste it down here. And you'll notice that we have a double up of the code. That's okay right now. Okay, you can do a cut and paste if you want. But I'm going to copy and paste it just for now to show the difference. You'll notice that it's 4 lines up here in the loop. It needs to still be 4 lines down in the function. Okay. So the difference here is when we remove this, our loop has been shrunk. And if we put this on our microcontroller, nothing's going to work. So we have to call that function. We're going to do this quite simply just by typing in the function's name. So blink red LED. And because it's an argumentless function, we just use our brackets. Okay. Remember, a semicolon in coding is like a period. It ends your code statement. So what's going to happen here is the void loop is going to start running after setup has been complete. It's going to call blink red LED. If everything is typed correctly and everything's declared correctly, it'll go through the code. It'll find the function blink red LED. It'll run the code that's inside that function. And then when it hits the end of the function right here, it'll come back up to the loop, come to the semicolon, sort of the end of that statement, and we'll do the next statement in this main loop. But you can see there's no other code in the loop, so it'll just return back to the top and it'll just keep blinking the red LED. So maybe what you can do is extend this video. Okay, so I'm gonna just hit enter here, and I'm gonna call blink green LED because that's also something that you can do on the Prism. So we have blink green LED, so we're gonna turn red on and off, and then green on and off. What I want you to do is come down here past our blink red LED, and I want you to declare a new function. Okay, give it a name that makes sense, something that's legible, something that makes sense. Um, use your brackets, use your braces, and fill it out using this blink red LED as an example. Okay, remember the function you're going to use, set red LED, can be found in your book. So if you can't figure it out, check your book, see if there's something that sets the green LED, and that's a little hint there for you too.